In this problem, we are going to test for the primality of 319. That is 319 prime? And so the first thing we want to take a look at is, notice I have a list of numbers between 2 and 18. And the reason why that is because 17 times 17 is 289. And 18 times 18 is 324. And so the square root of 319 is somewhere between 17 and 18. We only have to list those numbers from 2 to 18 to use the sieve of Eratosthenes. And so we'll check to see if 319 is divisible by all of these numbers. But we do have some tricks. So 2 into 319. Now we're going to pretend we don't know that it needs to be an even number. And so we'll check to see if it's divisible by 2 by hand. And so 3 divided by 2 is 1. And subtract, we have 1 remaining. Bring down the next one. 5 times 2 is 10. Subtract that. Bring down the next one. 2 times 9 is 18, and so we have a remainder of 1. That means that 2 and multiples of 2 are not divisors of 319. And so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, and 18 do not divide evenly into 319. And so the next number we'll try is 3. Does 3 divide into 319 evenly? 3 goes into 3 once, with the remainder of 0 there. Bring down the 1. 3 does not go into 1, so I'll bring down 2 numbers there. And so 3 into 19 is 6, and that's 6 times 3 is 18, and so there's a remainder of 1. And so 3 and multiples of 3 will not divide into 319. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and 18. Next we're going to try 5. Does 5 divide evenly into 319? 5 times 6 is 30. Subtract, we have 1 left over, bring down the 9. 5 times 3 is 15, and that gives us 4 left over. And so 5 and multiples of 5 will not divide into 319. 5, 10, 15. Next we will try 7. 319 divided by 7. And so we have 7 times 4 is 28. That gives us 3 left over. Bring down the 9. 3 times 5 is 35, and that gives us 4 left over. So 7 and multiples of 7 will not divide into 319. So in our list it's 7 and 14. Next we'll try 11. 11 into 319. 11 times 2 gives us 22, and that will give us a remainder of 9. And then we're going to bring down the other 9, and so 99 divided by 11, that goes in evenly, and so 11 is a factor of 319. And so, is 319 prime? The answer is no, because 319 divided by 11 is 29. Do we have to try the 13 and the 17? No, because once we answered the question that 319 is divisible by something in our list through the sieve of Eratosthenes, then we are finished with the problem.